Hello guys, everyone. Today I'm going to be making chocolate pudding to eat instant. Thank you. So I was debating on whether I should make chocolate pudding or chocolate pudding pops, and we don't have any ice cream stickles, so we're going to be making pudding. So it says 3 cups cold milk. So we gotta get 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. Oh, jeez. 1, 2, 3. Gotta get the milk. They're so loud, I swear. I can't use these. We got this. Dirty. Now for this I'm going to be making pudding, not pudding pops. You can do whatever you want. There's a little recipe on the back. You can make like pudding pops, but you need to have ice cream, ice malt. I mean, you do what you want. But today I'm gonna be making pudding. So 3 cups cold milk. After you pour some ice. So this is open here, but we're not going to do that because it's taking too long. It's a lot of pudding. I'm not going to eat this all. This might be a little bit too much for me. About yay much. No. Okay, so I'm gonna ask Mom what I'm gonna do because I'm not putting all the pudding in here. So we'll be right back. 1.5 cups milk. Since I'm not. That's it for the milk. Now what are we going to do now? Let's read the instructions. So it says, it says, beat pudding mixed in milk with a whisk. Well, I don't have a whisk, so we're just gonna use a spoon. Make do, Brandon. Make do. This is a little bit bad. I'm gonna use a tablespoon. So I got set a timer. Timer set time for 2 minutes, please. Forget it. Now I'll see you guys in 2 minutes. I need to start stirring. Timer done. Instructions. It says so I'm gonna put pudding in the fridge. Let's check the pudding to see if it's okay. So can I put it in the fridge? And look like a go ahead, it's looking good. I have to get blue enough. Well, I really should turn out to be too good. I'm just gonna end this video here. I might give you guys a little bit of an update tomorrow. when I bake something else. If I bake something. Goodbye.